Chem grounding rod safely dissipates lightning currents. Grounding rods safely dissipate electricity to the earth to prevent short circuits to connected equipment. They are tapered at one end for driving into the ground and are used with grounding rod clamps to attach conductors. Grounding rods have high levels of conductivity and corrosion resistance, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor electrical applications. Proper grounding techniques are employed to alleviate a couple of potential problems: electrical safety and protection of equipment from lightning strikes. The question becomes, what is meant by a ground system? The simple answer is a good connection to the earth that provides a low impedance path for unwanted currents or voltages that may be present. The netcodes require grounding for protection from electrical shock and for lowering the effects of lightning discharge. How does a grounding rod reduce resistance? We explain taking the example of our very own and patented Chem rod. The Chem rod is an ultra-efficient grounding electrode designed to provide the optimal low-resistance interface with Earth. High-frequency transient events like lightning force the current flow to the surface of an object. In these events, electrodes with more surface area have less impedance. The copper Chem rod has about 4 times more surface area than the traditional ground rod. This larger surface area helps create the low impedance connection required to safely channel high-frequency lightning currents to Earth. 95% of the resistance of a grounding electrode is established by the soil within an area whose radius is 1.1 times the grounding rod's length, called the interfacing hemisphere. The greater the percentage of soil with GAF-conductive backfill facilitates a low-resistance ground connection. The greater the percentage of soil replaced, the lower the ultimate grounding resistance. With just 1/3 the resistivity of bentonite, GAF has a lower freezing point and expansion factor, and retains moisture better than local soil. Using GAF contributes to the overall safety in applications such as electrical substations by reducing step and transfer voltages even in the worst-case soil conditions. The damage caused by a single lightning strike or stray current can cost millions in equipment losses, downtime, and personal injury. The Chem grounding rod can reduce these risks more efficiently than other grounding rods by providing the most efficient earth interface. In addition, it meets relevant design codes and international safety standards for protection of personnel, property, and sensitive equipment. Lightning Eliminators is a rarity in its throwness with the aspects of planning, manufacturing, and installation. For any query, feel free to contact us.